Surah, number 53, of Quran Majeed. The Star.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
وَالنَّجْمِ إِذَا هَوَى.
By the star when it sets.
مَا ضَلَّ صَاحِبُكُمْ وَمَا غَوَى.
Your companion has neither gone astray, nor amiss.
وَمَا يَنطِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَى.
Nor does he speak out of his own desire.
إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَى.
It is just a revelation that is revealed to him.
عَلَّمَهُ شَدِيدُ الْقُوَى.
Taught him by one of great powers.
ذُو مِرَّةٍ فَاسْتَوَى.
Possessed of sound judgment. He settled.
وَهُوَ بِالْأُفُقِ الْأَعْلَى.
While he was on the highest horizon.
ثُمَّ دَنَا فَتَدَلَّى.
Then he drew nearer and nearer.
فَكَانَ قَابَ قَوْسَيْنِ أَوْ أَدْنَى.
Until he was within 2 bows length or even nearer.
فَأَوْحَى إِلَى عَبْدِهِ مَا أَوْحَى.
Whereat he revealed to his servant whatever he revealed.
مَا كَذَبَ الْفُؤَادُ مَا رَأَى.
The heart did not deny what it saw.
أَفَتُمَارُونَهُ عَلَى مَا يَرَى.
Will you then dispute with him about what he saw?
وَلَقَدْ رَآهُ نَزْلَةً أُخْرَى.
Certainly he saw it yet another time.
عِندَ سِدْرَةِ الْمُنْتَهَى.
By the lotus tree of the ultimate boundary.
عِندَهَا جَنَّةُ الْمَأْوَى.
Near which is the garden of the abode.
إِذْ يَغْشَى السِّدْرَةَ مَا يَغْشَى.
When there covered the lotus tree what covered it.
مَا زَاغَ الْبَصَرُ وَمَا طَغَى.
His gaze did not swerve, nor did it overstep the bounds.
لَقَدْ رَأَى مِنْ آيَاتِ رَبِّهِ الْكُبْرَى.
Certainly he saw some of the greatest signs of his Lord.
أَفَرَأَيْتُمُ اللَّاتَ وَالْعُزَّى.
Have you considered Lat and Uzza?
وَمَنَاةَ الثَّالِثَةَ الْأُخْرَى.
And Manat, the third one?
أَلَكُمُ الذَّكَرُ وَلَهُ الْأُنثَى.
Are you to have males and he females?
تِلْكَ إِذًا قِسْمَةٌ ضِيزَى.
That, then, will be an unfair division.
إِنْ هِيَ إِلَّا أَسْمَاءٌ سَمَّيْتُمُوهَا أَنْتُمْ وَآبَاؤُكُمْ مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ بِهَا مِنْ سُلْطَانٍ إِنْ يَتَّبِعُونَ إِلَّا الظَّنَّ وَمَا تَهْوَى الْأَنفُسُ وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُمْ مِنْ رَبِّهِمُ الْهُدَى.
These are but names, which you have coined, you and your fathers, for which Allah has not sent down any authority. They follow nothing but conjectures and the desires of the lower soul, while there has already come to them the guidance from their Lord.
أَمْ لِلْإِنسَانِ مَا تَمَنَّى.
Shall man have whatever he yearns for?
فَلِلَّهِ الْآخِرَةُ وَالْأُولَى.
Yet to Allah belong this world and the hereafter.
وَكَمْ مِنْ ملك في السماوات لا تغني شفاعتهم شيئا إلا من بعد أن يأذن الله لمن يشاء ويرضى.
How many an angel there is in the heavens whose intercession is of not any avail, except after Allah permits whomever He wishes and approves of.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة ليسمون الملائكة تسمية الأنثى.
Indeed, those who do not believe in the hereafter give female names to the angels.
وما لهم به من علم إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا.
They do not have any knowledge of that. They follow nothing but conjectures, and conjecture is no substitute for the truth.
فأعرض عمن تولى عن ذكرنا ولم يرد إلا الحياة الدنيا.
So avoid those who turn away from our remembrance and desire nothing but the life of the world.
ذلك مبلغهم من العلم إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بمن اهتدى.
That is the ultimate reach of their knowledge. Indeed, your Lord knows best those who stray from His way, and He knows best those who are rightly guided.
ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ليجزي الذين أساءوا بما عملوا ويجزي الذين أحسنوا بالحسنى.
To Allah belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, that He may requite those who do evil for what they have done, and reward those who do good with the best of rewards.
الذين يجتنبون كبائر الإثم والفواحش إلا اللمم إن ربك واسع المغفرة هو أعلم بكم إذ أنشأكم من الأرض وإذ أنتم أجنة في بطون أمهاتكم فلا تزكوا أنفسكم هو أعلم بمن اتقى.
Those who avoid major sins and indecencies, apart from minor and occasional lapses. Indeed, your Lord is expansive in His forgiveness. He knows you best since the time He produced you from the earth and since you were fetuses in the bellies of your mothers. So do not flaunt your piety, He knows best those who are God-weary.
أفرأيت الذي تولى
Did you see him who turned away?
وأعطى قليلا وأكدى
Gave a little and held off?
أعنده علم الغيب فهو يرى
Does he have the knowledge of the unseen so that he sees?
أم لم ينبأ بما في صحف موسى
Has he not been informed of what is in the scriptures of Moses?
وإبراهيم الذي وفى
And of Abraham, who fulfilled his summons.
ألا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى
That no bearer shall bear another's burden.
وأن ليس للإنسان إلا ما سعى
That nothing belongs to man except what he strives for.
وأن سعيه سوف يرى
And that he will soon be shown his endeavor.
ثم يجزاه الجزاء الأوفى.
Then he will be rewarded for it with the fullest reward.
وأن إلى ربك المنتهى.
That the terminus is toward your Lord.
وأنه هو أضحك وأبكى.
That it is he who makes men laugh and weep.
وأنه هو أمات وأحيا.
That it is he who brings death and gives life.
وأنه خلق الزوجين الذكر والأنثى.
That it is he who created the mates, the male and the female.
من نطفة إذا تمنى.
From a drop of seminal fluid when emitted.
وأن عليه النشأة الأخرى.
That with him lies the second genesis.
وأنه هو أغنى وأقنى.
That it is he who enriches and grants possessions.
وأنه هو رب الشعرى.
That it is he who is the Lord of Sirius.
وأنه أهلك عادا الأولى.
That it is he who destroyed the former Ad.
وثمود فما أبقى.
And Tammud, sparing none of them.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا هم أظلم وأطغى.
And the people of Noah before that, indeed they were more unjust and rebellious.
والمؤتفكة أهوى.
And he overthrew the town that was overturned.
فغشاها ما غشا.
Covering it with what covered it.
فبأي آلاء ربك تتمارى.
Then which of the bounties of your Lord will you dispute?
هذا نذير من النذر الأولى.
This is a warner, in the tradition of the warners of old.
أزفت الآزفة.
The imminent hour is near at hand.
ليس لها من دون الله كاشفة.
There is none who may unveil it besides Allah.
أفمن هذا الحديث تعجبون.
Will you then wonder at this discourse?
وتضحكون ولا تبكون.
And laugh and not weep.
وأنتم سامدون.
While you remain heedless.
فاسجدوا لله واعبدوا.
So prostrate yourselves to Allah and worship Him.